Hi, it's Lori Neverman from Common Sense Home, and I'm going to show you how to make hummingbird nectar. Recipes don't get much easier than homemade hummingbird nectar. All you need is 1 cup of clean water and 1/4 cup of plain sugar. Now, it's best if you just use plain, normal, refined white sugar because some of the other natural sugars can actually have too many minerals in them, and that can be a little bit hard on the system of the hummingbird. So if you're using regular tap water, it is recommended that you boil the water to kill any resident bacteria. But if you have distilled water or RO water, boiling is less important, but it will help the sugar dissolve. So all you do is you take your water and mix in your 1/4 cup of sugar. And I want to stir this till this is dissolved completely. And then I'll load up my feeder outside right before I hang it so I'm not going through the house potentially dripping sugar water all over the place. Now this is the feeder that I personally recommend, and it comes in a couple different sizes. It's called the Humzinger. And if you'll notice, it has a flat design so the birds have access through the ports to the top. It comes apart really easily so you can clean it really well inside. Bacteria is a big risk to hummingbirds. If you leave your sugar water out for, say, more than 2 to 3 days and don't change it, it'll start to get cloudy, and that's bacteria that can make your hummingbirds sick. So if you'll notice, this also has a little ant moat here so that you can fill that with water to keep the bugs from climbing into your sugar water. On the top portion, the ports are easy to access and clean. And every time you swap out your nectar, you should give these a scrub to make sure they stay clean. Again, bacteria can make your hummers sick. So use an old toothbrush, or a pastry brush is really nice because that helps you get right in those holes really well. So this holds 1 cup. They also have a bigger unit that I think holds 2 or 3 cups. So if you have a lot of hummingbirds around, you can get the bigger unit. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to swap out your nectar every 2 to 3 days, more frequently in warm weather, as opposed to cooler weather. You might be able to get away with the 3 days. And keep your hummers safe and healthy. Don't use that nasty commercial stuff with the red dye. It will make them sick. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.